Hello and welcome. This is Roy. Here I'm sharing with you a short clip taken from a long video, 64 minutes video that I recorded recently for my subscribers. You will see me introducing the various markets that I cover. If you wish to have further information about my website or my service, please stay on. After the clip ends, I'll be talking to you again. Otherwise, wishing you successful trading. Have a great week. Bye now. Hello and welcome. This is Roy. Before going through the charts, I want to make some general comments here. I'm still bearish on the stocks. I think that it is too soon to attempt to go short in a big way. It is, in my opinion, the time to lie in wait and really wait for the signal, which I think we haven't got yet, a resounding signal that the markets have turned. I think that in some markets that I'm following, for example in Europe, I think there is a case for arguing that the market has stopped there, and I'll discuss that in detail as I go through the charts. I think that the overall picture that I'm seeing echoed by the currencies, by the commodities, notably oil, and by the bonds, do argue that we are going to have a reversal, and they are all going to go in the right direction, so-called, is to deliver the general, if you like, to strengthen the general idea that stocks are heading for a correction. So let's have a look at the charts that I've got here. I've got a long list of charts. That's the Euro-US dollar currency pair, dollar index, British pound US dollar, British pound Swiss franc, British pound Japanese yen, British pound Singapore dollar, gasoline, natural gas February 2011, Brent crude, heating oil, spot silver, and then bonds, long yields 2011, UST bond, TYX, UST bond 2011, and then stock markets, TSX, SPX, the BKX, and then European indices, that's the EU Stocks 50, Italy's MIB, CSC 40 of France, and I'll terminate the video with a look at the DAX. Okay, I'm coming to check several forex pairs where the pound is taking one side, and I've got to tell you, I've seen some of these patterns here, absolutely amazing, and you're going to see that, and I hope that you will be in a position to take advantage of that, because these are some of the most I'm not exaggerating, I think some of the best opportunities that I've seen recently with the highest probability. So please pay attention. I think that if I'm getting this right, this could be an absolutely excellent opportunity for you to accumulate profits fairly fast, even if you participate on a small scale. Now let me show you. This is first the pound US dollar going back to May 2007. If you remember, I put forward the idea that this is likely, we are likely in a long fourth wave here that may go on and on and on, but we are now potentially in the leg going down in a D. That hit the third wave here. I have shown on the long-term chart on many occasions that the 140 level, in the case of the pound, is an absolutely massive support that has been there for many decades, and it is not something that is going to give way just after a second bounce or third bounce. It's a very, very strong support. So I do see the pound oscillating, bouncing off the area here of 140 for quite a few more months, and that is the big picture. Let me show you here. We go down on the daily, and I think what we are looking at is basically a collection of ABCs. We had this one is going back to the 11th of October. That's an A, that's a B, clear cut 5 legs, that's a C. That's another X. There are several subdivisions here, and that's the first leg down, which I take to be an A. The entire rundown here. Let's go to the 60 minutes. Here you can see a pretty clear breakdown here. Likely a 1-2 fourth wave round here, fourth wave plunged, and I think now it's working on the B. When the B is down, we are going through 153.50. We are going lower. So in case of those who are interested to trade this particular currency pair, I think any rally towards 155, 156, and that could already be considered for selling. I don't think this is running back to 159. Definitely not on the basis of what I see with other forex pairs where the pound is taking a side. So I think that is the best reading that I have for now. I can't put a limit of time on the B when that's going to end, but in terms of the extent of the retracement, I think that if you can get it to the run around 50% retracement should prove to be a good trade, in my opinion. Hello again. If you like some further information about my website, my services, all you have to do is click on home at the page which you are right now. That takes you to the home page of my website. I have a page on Twitter. You are welcome to join. I don't make intensive use of it, but from time to time I do make some comments. I've got 3 articles here that I've written. You may like to take a look. Here's testimonial submitted by an active trader that is using my service. There are more testimonials right here. I have an affiliate program. You are most welcome to join. You don't have to be a subscriber. Links to my videos speaks for itself, but I do have a new YouTube channel that actually covers the recent videos. I haven't had a chance to actually update that, and it also includes a video explaining about a weekend product. So if you are searching for that new YouTube channel, please type EW Practitioner, EW Practitioner in one word when you go on YouTube, and that takes you to the channel and you will see all the videos. RN Elliott, that's a section where you can download a full-scale book. I suggest you do that if you're interested seriously in learning about the wave principle. That is an excellent first step. Private policy, terms of use, these are standard categories. Why join? Read that to see in which ways I think I can help traders at different levels. Subscribe here. That's where you take practical steps to subscribe to my service. I have 3 ways in which you can use my service. You can either take an introductory offer, which is just 1 week. It is a one-off, meaning you can't use it repeatedly. You can use it one time. It's only $9.99. It gives you access for 7 videos. Today's video, plus the chart, plus every single video that I'll record in the coming week, and the charts. And after 1 week, you make up your mind. You want to continue. You use the other any of the other options. The second option is a weekend product where I allow you to access the weekend videos plus the charts, and that is priced substantially below the normal product, which is really directed at very intensive traders, people who can watch the market every day and can make use, can actually digest all that information that is being churned by the market every single day. And the third product is the full product that costs €79 only per month. That gives you access to a lot of information, a lot of setups that are run through every single day, and basically keeps you really in fully informed about the many various markets that I cover. I'm also open to some suggestions. If you come on board on the full product or any other products, please feel free to ask me if there is a specific market that you like me to cover. I can't promise that I'll cover it every day. I'll do my best to cover it from time to time, or at least have a good look at it. That's contact us if you have any problem whatsoever. Get in touch with me. I'm here to help. Tell a friend. Spread the word. By all means, I would appreciate a helping hand. Downloads. That way you can download charts that I put on in the public area. You can see the kind of work that I do. Recommended reading list. Go ahead. They are fairly it's not as extensive as I would have wished to put here. I just don't have enough time to update it. I have many more books that I would like to put. I need more time to go through that, but there are quite a lot of books here, and also some links to download full-scale books. So go ahead and take a look. Frequently asked questions, that's where you really have to come back to this. If you decided to subscribe, that will help you to find where to find past videos, past charts, etc. Useful links, speaks for itself, and that's about it. So I hope to hear from you, hope to see you on my website, exploring a bit what's going on, and get in touch with me. The slightest question you have, whatever crosses your mind, I'll be glad to help. Wishing you successful trading. Have a great week. Bye now.